I do it very slow so you can get the idea of how it goes, but you must do them faster and make the ribbon moving in one continual movement. So now we do some more kicks, just so you've got some ideas of different sorts of kicks to put in your routine. Remember, when you're first practicing with the ribbon these new steps, make sure you practice with your kicks low and concentrate on the ribbon first. So when we make step kicks with flips, we're going to make the flip as we step. Flip. Then as we kick, we can pass the ribbon under. So as you step, you want the flip. As you kick, pass under. As this leg goes down, flip. So again, this one's very good for coordination. So as you step, you're going to flip. Then as you kick the other leg, pass the ribbon under. But that leg won't go down until you flip. So it's the lift to the down is the step. Obviously the first one, you're not going to have it in the air, but you've got time to make the first flip. So flip, kick, flip, kick, flip, kick, flip, kick. Okay, so you can make any combinations. They could be side kicks or anything you like. Knee kicks, anything. But that's the coordination of the kicks and the flips. So petit jeté hitch kick, if you know what this is, 2 petit jetés, low kick and higher kick. Petit jeté, low kick, high kick. Petit jeté, low kick, high kick. So you're jumping to make the kick. Petit jeté, jump back on that foot as you make the low kick. Spring onto this one as this one kicks past. Don't let this one land. This one has to go like a scissor kick. A good ribbon with this is just simple stirring on the floor while you're trying to coordinate your ribbon. You'll find it interesting where though you can maybe dance already perhaps and use your arms well, the ribbon is a different matter altogether. It's like starting to use your arms again because you're not just placing and moving them, you've got to work, particularly with the longer ribbons. This is why if you've never danced before or you've not used ribbon really before, start with the smaller ones. So look back at my videos on ribbons prior to this one and you'll see how to start working with the small ribbon. Get your confidence there before moving on to larger ribbons. So, petit jeté hitch kick, petit jeté hitch kick. Do you see how you can move your ribbon round while you're dancing? And the final kicks is any preparation kicks. Back together, front kick, back together, front kick, back, side, front kick, back, side, front kick. Anything at all. You can make back kicks, side kicks, front kicks, knee kicks, anything you like. So make combinations, try different ribbon movements. You've seen so many movements down with the ribbon. You'll find some work better than others. So play around with it and put music on and see what you can come up with. So here's some music. So let's try with some music. Remember, make your own combinations and not too many of the same things and keep the ribbon flowing. Obviously, as I keep saying, when I'm doing it slow, so you can see what to do, the ribbon won't flow as well as it will for you in your room. And by the way, don't practice these long ribbons indoors where you're going to hit your ornaments off the shelves. Make sure you have good open space. Outside is always a good option. now we will make different passings. So first of all, we could just make simple gallops, passing the ribbon around your body. So just galloping, passing from hand to hand. We change hands in the front of our body and also change hands behind our body. So keep your ribbon. If you're going to your right, start your ribbon at your left, but in your right hand, so you can whip it round. Keep it well away from your body. You don't want it round your ankles. So just galloping, passing round your body. You could also do hop, step, ball change, making half a turn as you pass the ribbon in the same way. Hop, step, ball change, hop, step, ball change, hop, step, ball change. I'll do that one coming forwards. So remember, if you're coming forward, you want the ribbon to start up towards the back. Hop, step, ball change, hop, step, ball change, hop, step, ball change, hop, step, ball change, hop, step, ball change. And again. Hop, step, ball change, hop, step, ball change, hop, step, ball change, hop, step, ball change, hop, step, ball change. Of course, you can make more or less of a turn on each one, or make a square, so one in each direction. One to the front, one to the side, one to the back, one to the side. You could just make simple pas de bourrées, making the same passing action. Pas de bourrée, pas de bourrée, pas de bourrée, pas de bourrée. Of course, it's easier when you do the ribbon fast, but I'm trying to show you the hand changes. If I do it too fast, you probably won't see what's happening. And I don't like demonstration videos where they go all professional and dance it all fast. I think it makes you feel you won't ever get it and you can't see what to do. So I'm trying to show it slowly, which is very hard with ribbon to make the lovely action. But at least you can see clearly what to do. So pas de bourrée, pas de bourrée, pas de bourrée. Of course, the ribbon will flow much better when you do it fast. And then one more simple one you could join on and make a combination out of all of these steps is something I've shown you with the small ribbon, is your skips forwards and snake back. So you're going to make big circles here as you skip through. So as it goes down, you're going to do a little pony skip through. Keep the ribbon moving so it will go over. When it's down there, skip through. Over skip, over skip, over skip. And then snakes back, little runs, making snakes. Snakes need to touch the floor with the bottom half of the ribbon. So I'll put some music on, and remember, make your own combinations. Join some of these to some of the other steps if you like. Choose your favourite steps, but don't do too many of each thing when you're making a routine. The idea is that you learn to change your ribbon from one position to the next movement without showing any tangle or stop of shapes with the ribbon.